Very much so. So what we're gonna be doing pretty much is after about a week of you getting actually familiar with actually being able to identify what to look for whenever I do post.
I don't think everybody can hear. How you typing this thing to let some people know that I can hear?
If you can hear me, everybody should.
Okay, cool. Because some dude said he asking, we hear? I can hear.
Okay,
I
I
can.
Bet.
cool.
Okay, there you go.
Marcus, you good? You good?
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
good? All right, good, good. Oh dang, what was I saying?
You would say keep the trades open. You just really showing how you going.
Okay, yeah.
Um,
I'm gonna be reviewing. So after about say a week or so of knowing and understanding what to look for, you'll be able to then execute those trades as I put them in the group. There, and then once we get on the session, we'll review that particular trade.
is
Because
I ain't
I'm
gonna lie to y'all,
actually
cause I be ignoring the hell out that group, cause I don't know what the hell be going on. I go back to the top and I read the top shit, but I don't know what the
All
hell
right.
y'all be talking about.
because I'm
So
actually gonna
when
be
you
cutting
this
back
what we
on my trading, limiting myself to 1 to 2 trades at a time.
yeah, I don't know about.
Focusing more on my longer term trades that'll last me a day or two. So therefore, ultimately, I can only have to trade once or twice a week.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Honestly, I ain't. I mean, I can make more money trading every day though.
Yeah,
Whichever works.
right.
you know,
You can
whichever.
technically you can actually make more trading every day simply getting
Well,
in and out of the market. But for me specifically, since I have traded every day for the past couple years, I'm actually looking
got
to
you,
get away from it.
got you. So I'm gonna start out every day and then work my way up to once or twice a week.
Exactly. Because
Okay, got you.
longer term, 2 to 3 day trades are going to be harder to identify, as well as they're really going to test your patience.
Okay,
So while you're look,
somebody gonna have to mute something. Somebody got to mute something
oh
in
yeah,
there.
somebody got to mute that. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is, but somebody got to mute it. That thing is loud. There we go.
Hold on, I can mute people. Hold on. I don't know who it is, but
I know we talking about this. Look, guys, if you're listening to something about the snow, I'm gonna need you to turn that down. Look, for real.
No.
all right, hold on. I'm trying to see where this is coming from. Got it. All right, now let me unmute everybody else. Hold on. It was Mr. Terrence. He probably at work though.
Okay, but see, he's still trying to get his lessons. I understand. I ain't mad at him.
That's right.
Shit.
Hey, John, I got a question, man.
All right, go ahead.
All right, so recently I've been having an issue with like I can identify the highs and lows during London and New York session, but
Who's
the
this
only
talking? Marcus?
yeah,
All right,
Marcus.
cool, cool.
But the only thing is like when I see like a reversal pattern or something, a good painted picture, like say it's gonna reject right, and I buy it because of the reversal pattern. Sometimes it'll just completely break that zone. So like, is there any way where there's a higher percentage of where like I can identify if it's gonna break or reject before it happens? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, do you have, by any chance, remember the last time that happened to you on what pair? And we'll go look at that exact situation.
Let's see. Last week.
The best thing to do is to look at the monthly in the weekly chart to be able to figure out the high and the low.
Yeah, now that is also a good way to look at it. Whenever you get in that situation and you're in the London session, take a look
Mm.
at your weekly and monthly and look at those are even potential high or low points for those particular candles.
All right, cool.
Also, also, you definitely want to keep in mind if price has breached the previous day's high or low.
Yeah.
Because if it hasn't breached yesterday's high or low, it's a high chance that it will at least retest that point. So,
Okay.
say for instance, let me try to find one.
All right, cool. I'm gonna try and find an example too in a second. I'm looking right now.
All right, I'm zooming through here looking for one.
Could it be on
Oh
Great
shoot,
Britain
y'all! I
USD?
was supposed
Because
to have
that's where you have a
a
lot of price action that goes
chiropractor
on.
appointment today.
That's considered a London trade.
Okay, right here on this particular Euro New Zealand.
Mm.
Here in the London session, which was right in here. In that box would have been the time frame you were looking for that high or low.
Right.
Now, if you notice right here at this point, let me get my pencil.
That blue box is for the high or low.
Hold on one second.
Right.
That blue box determines our high or low.
Hold on, I'm trying to get this pencil thing to work. Hold on 1 second. I'm finna draw up exactly what I'm talking about.
I got another example too when you're done with that too.
All right.
Selling UJ.
Okay.
Hey, Jonathan.
Yeah. Yeah.
On UCAD, is the reason why that it reached
Honestly,
the
I haven't looked
third.
at UCAD in almost 2 weeks, so give me just
Okay.
a second. But you see right here on this Euro New Zealand, right here at the end of this blue box,
Yeah. That shift.
that shift right there,
Mm.
I was pretty much I took a buy on that pound New Zealand for pretty much the same reason. But if you look right here,
Mm.
this
It
high
it broke past the high.
is not at either yesterday's high
Uh.
or yesterday's low. This
Okay.
low is at yesterday's low. So that was telling me right there that this is solid. There is nothing but
Okay.
open air up here.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yeah. So
So,
like during Asian session, it never even breached the low of the previous day, and it was just basically just consolidating above it, and then breached the high of the Asian session basically.
right.
And okay.
Also, at the end of the day, like say for instance, before any of this was formed,
Mm.
we saw the this low of the day,
Right.
and we saw this retrace here.
Mm.
So technically, that is where you begin your Asian range.
Okay.
You'll notice how throughout the Asian session, price will be contained within the previous day's low and that pullback.
Okay.
Like, for example, let me go to a pair that we traded, pound Aussie. Even on the pound Aussie,
Mm.
if you look here at yesterday's low of the day, then you look at yesterday's retrace. The breakout is actually getting ready to happen now, or the potential high of the day is going to be set.
Okay.
Because if you look, this was pretty much the range. This down here was the false. This could have been the false breakout. This is the retest.
Cool. And because it's about to be 10, and then basically New York session's about to end, right? At like
Right.
around 10.
Now we're in New York session, so this is our time where we can expect either New York session reversal or extension.
Okay. Can I show you GBP CAD on December 31st? This happened with like I think like 3 other pairs that I was trading. It was like the same exact thing, and I thought I had a really good setup too. Okay. Can I show you GBP CAD on December 31st? This happened with like
Somebody watching on YouTube.
yeah.
All
The same exact thing, and I thought I had a.
right. Somebody had a question about UCAD and pound CAD.
Yeah, I have a question with pound CAD.
All right. What was your Tony? What was your question on the UCAD?
It's for the UCAD, it looked like it did like three. Well, it oversold. So by it being oversold, for the last week or so, would it keep selling or would it go up because of the government shutdown?
Likely with the government shutdown, the dollar's falling everywhere.
Okay.
I can tell you that right off the bat.
So everything will be a
Yeah,
sell.
that's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, likely it'll be a sell for now until the next interest rate report comes out, which is in a couple.
So I guess it's looking like the government will be back open on the 21st. So the dollar should be falling.
Yeah, the dollar's gonna be falling for the next couple of weeks, and on UCAD, for example, if you look at it, it actually had some a run for almost.
A run for almost since the 21st, I believe,
Yeah,
December 21st.
If you actually look, it's actually on a run from August. It's been on a run since August. So with that being said, it's due for a retracement, and I can just look at that here on this, pulling out my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. It's due for a retracement, so yes, it's going to continue to drop.
Can you give me a better understanding of the Fibonacci?
Yeah, the Fibonacci gives you potential. Hold on, let me show you. y'all still see my charts?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
One second, y'all. I've actually can't see my charts. I'm trying to figure out how y'all can still see. I can't see my charts anymore. That's retarded. I'm still figuring this Zoom stuff out. Okay, there we go. We're back now. I don't know how that happened. All right, but yeah, with the Fibonacci, what you want to do with the Fibonacci is you simply just want to look for points in which you can confirm as a swing high or swing low. And in this situation, this is a swing low. Here's your swing high. Your swings are going to be points in which price completely changes direction. Like right here, here's another swing. Swing low. Swing high. So when you have a swing low to swing high or a swing high to a swing low, you can pull your Fibonacci out. For example, from this swing low to this swing high brings out a list of points here. The 23 is the first sign of support for a continuation in an uptrend. The 38 is the second, 50 being the fourth, 61 being the fifth, and if it breaks the 61, likely it's going to retrace the whole trend. If you look here, it reversed right on this 61. All right, so that's this swing's extension here.
That one. Okay. That makes sense.
Now, in order to find that extension, all we would have had to do was take our Fibonacci at this point from this swing high to this swing low. And it would have gave us another list of points. Notice how this high fell right up under the 161. That answer some of your questions with the Fibonacci?
Yes.
So pretty much you want to use that once you have confirmed swing highs and lows, and you can use the actual sequence numbers for areas of support and resistance and targets.
Okay.
For example, now that we have completed this swing low to this swing high, we can remove this old Fibonacci and look at it like this. Swing low, swing high. Here we have a couple of targets, potential targets.
Okay.
We got the 161 and the 261. If we look on a higher time frame, that's what we're looking at. Potential targets.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah. Okay.
Smooth.
Hey John, can you look at pound CAD real quick?
Okay.
All right, so on December 31st, I identified the high and everything beginning of London session, and it looked like a stop hunt to me. Really big, crazy
Right
stop
here?
hunt. It was like cool.
Yeah, that's definitely a stop hunt.
Um,
I can see it right here just looking at these 3 pushes.
yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
see, the thing for me is what messed me up is you see the first push where that consolidation was at. So like that was basically like 3 o'clock. So I sold right at the previous high of the day because I was like, okay, rejected high of the day. You
So
know,
you sold
strong
right
push.
about, hold on, right about here.
Yeah, I sold right about there. But then when I sold it, I went to sleep and I woke up like an hour and some change after, and I was like, well, the high was set, but it's like still chilling there. And I was like, I should probably just get out and buy it because it's probably gonna keep going up since it's consolidating at that high after it did that strong push. Because usually, like after that push, it'll reject off it real fast, but it didn't do that. But
When you see something like, let me get that, something like this,
yeah,
yeah, they definitely gonna push up. I'll tell you why. If you've ever heard me talk about the 90-minute rule,
yeah, you told me. I remember you telling me on that one-on-one session a while back. You're like, in
watch.
90
Let's
minutes.
count this. We
Yeah.
got
And you know what the thing is? That's what I did, man. Exactly what I did. I was like, bro, I should probably get out of that and buy it because it's probably gonna
90
push.
minutes would have put you right here. You ain't in
Yep.
significant profit by 90 minutes. They going the other way.
Yeah. Yeah. And see, I think that's my biggest problem right now is just sticking to the because I have that in my trading plan, like 90 minutes, time at 90 minutes when you're in your trades. If it didn't shift out of that zone, cancel your trades and either go the other direction or don't trade at all.
Exactly. Somebody been taking them notes.
Yeah, man.
Now, right here was also could have gave it away. Looking at something like the 30-minute chart or the 1 hour.
Yeah, I was looking at the I was even looking at the 15 and it made a little double bottom in that basically at that high. So like it's gonna push, but I was just being stupid.
And see,
You
this
see it
was
right there?
in the New York session reversal.
Yeah.
Another way to look at it is when the price is in trend from Asian to London
Mm.
and the ADR has not been reached, don't expect a reversal until New York session.
Okay.
Unless price action has confirmed it. If price action is showing you something and you're having to guess and you're really you're iffy about it, respect the ADR.
Okay.
Now, if you're at the ADR, you got a moving average, you got price action showing there, go ahead and go for the reversal trade. But if you don't have the ADR, a moving average, or price action, respect the ADR.
Okay. So basically what you just told me is if during Asian session, Asian and London's trending, the ADR has not been met, keep trading basically until that ADR until like New York session basically. If
Right.
I see
Trade
New
that
York session,
trend until
okay.
the ADR is reached or price action shows you something else. If neither
Okay.
one of those occur, respect the trend to stay true until possible New York session reversal. But the New
Okay.
York session reversal isn't always going to happen.
Right. And really the best way to like if I'm gonna trade against that trend during that Asian and London trend, the best way to trade against it to reversal would be if it hits the ADR and it's during New York reversal and basically or New York session and has a nice reversal pattern in that too.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Just fine tuning everything, man. That's all. That's all.
Yeah. Tune up. And I'm still in this pound Aussie. I haven't
You still doing any more one-on-ones, John?
on individuals.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm still in this pound, and I'm also still in the UJ. I haven't taken profit on that yet either.
So for pound, the one you're in now. Wait, was that pound? Actually, wait, the other one before that.
Look,
I forgot.
Pound
What?
Aussie.
Yeah, pound Aussie. So I understand why you bought it, but for me, I'd have been scared to buy that mainly because it's like I see the head and shoulders and everything, and I see like that false breakout slash little stop hunt thing, but I wouldn't have gotten in it unless it was at like the low or high of the day. You know what I'm saying? Like I would have been waiting for it to basically break the high of the day of this session. So like where it's at now basically. But at the same time it's weird because sometimes it doesn't always reject off sometimes it'll reject off of it and then retrace and then like totally blow out of it. You know what I mean?
Let me put ADR in here, so
So
I'm gonna show you exactly what confirmed that
Okay. Because right now, the hardest thing for me is to know it like exactly when it's going to reject or break the higher low. If it's not consolidating at that higher low for like 90 minutes, because sometimes it'll reject off of it real fast and then shift the zone.
And did y'all just see Blue Jack? It just won't respect the sale. We started consolidating. Still the hours yet.
When do you host? When do you start your one-on-ones, John?
Whenever they're scheduled, whenever we schedule one.
Okay. Okay.
All right, now what confirmed me to buy on this was this 30-minute candle. This 30-minute tweezer bottom.
Mm.
Told me to buy that. As a matter of fact, that's when, if you look in the group chat, I said look at the 15-minute chart this morning.
Mm. Is it also because it's at the ADR low?
Not necessarily because it's technically not at the
Okay.
ADR low until the range has been stretched.
Okay.
But I did see this pattern forming at yesterday's low.
Okay.
See, that pattern actually breached yesterday's low
And then shifted back
and
up
shifted
into
right
that
back
zone.
up.
Okay.
So that's where that 15-minute candle played its role right here. If you look at this candle and the next one right after, it closed back above yesterday's low. Right here. You see that candle shot back down there, and if you look, it didn't even hit. It stopped maybe half a pip below.
Mm-hmm.
Or above.
Oh, and it didn't even breach the low, basically, too. Cool.
Right, it trapped traders. Traders
Cool.
got trapped. Classic trap move right there.
Was that before London? Or during London? That was during London, right?
Yeah, that was during London.
Okay, cool.
All right, Zach, you asked about pound USD. Now, MJ, with the government shutdown, it's actually, it would normally make the interest rate rise, but due to the fact that I was reading a report that the Feds raised the interest rates twice in 2018, they are skeptical about raising it again. They're looking for an alternative of currency without having to raise the interest rates. That again is where the crypto comes in play. The Feds are now looking for an alternative. The Federal Reserve. So they either going to raise interest rates, which is going to spike USD all the way up, but it's also going to cause imbalance in the whole financial ecosystem. So they're trying to avoid that. That was okay. Good. That answered. Let me see if I can find anybody else type of question in here. Pound USD. Pound USD spike. Yes, pound USD is definitely going up, considering the dollar is down. Let me pull pound USD up. As you see, the pound has been up since last week when it retested the low of the year here. Yeah, the pound's actually been up since last week when it hit that. Now, with this pound, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a complete top-down analysis on that. Can we go over New York reversal, like knowing if it reverses? Yeah, we'll do that on this pair, and I'm going to find a pair that we actually get a reversal on today. Okay, so for those new guys who's never seen me break down a chart from top to bottom, I'm about to do it right here, starting with this. Well, I'll start with
There you go, saving work for yourself. No, seriously, I was writing questions that I had, and you're saving work for yourself. Go ahead now.
All right, so basically with this this particular broker, they're only showing me data from the beginning of 2008. It's an actual new broker. The Top Step is actually pretty new, so I don't have as much.
What's that new broker's name?
This is Top Step. They use a broker out of Italy. It's called Divisa. It's the firm that I promote that allows you to trade their capital up to 500,000 of their capital once you can prove your skills. If you've ever saw me posting about that or ever heard anybody in the group talking about Top Step, that's what that's the account I'm using right now.
So no more Hugo's Way?
No. I'm using Hugo's Way. Top Step allows me to trade 500,000 of their money.
Okay.
And I keep 80% of my profit.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I gotta get on that. Yeah, I'm about to get on that.
Yeah, it's real sweet on what I'm saying, on the side. Whenever I got definite A1 trades, I just throw them on that account and run it up.
Fat trades. Super fat.
Majority of my trades are on my personal account, but whenever I see easy money, I go ahead and use their money. And
yeah, why not?
Maximize my leverage or whatnot.
Profits, yeah.
Free bands.
Right.
There you go.
That's a whole lot of bands, man.
Free bands. Yeah, once you guys have got your skills up, you can. It's open for everybody. They just ask you to prove your skills, and once you're able to do that, you're pretty much in the clear.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I still gotta perfect my trading, man.
Right. I'm still in the beginning.
I had to get a little tune up, you know what I'm saying? Broke down a little bit.
Yeah, I'm still in the beginning stages.
I'm still good though.
So there on the monthly, what I would simply do to start off is hit the highest point of my charts and the lowest point of my charts. Right here, it's only showing me a year, so we'll work with that data. You see the highest point here, lowest point here. Once I've done that, I'll go to my weekly, and I find the same thing. I'll level off the swings, which is going to be the high and low is already done. You see the highest point and lowest point because those come from the monthly that I just did.
Mm-hmm.
We have another one here as far as a high. And we have another one here as far as a low. And since price reversed right here, we'll knock that one too. So now we got a high. Well, starting from left to right, we got a low, high, low, high, low. So we got a swing in there. We got swing low, swing high, swing low.
John, I don't do this. And how important do you think this is in terms of like knowing where to go?
Knowing the top down?
Yeah.
It's I say it's extremely important considering you always want to know where the long term trend's going first.
Right. Cool. I'll start doing that then. So I stopped doing that. I think that'll help a lot. Cause I was just thinking, you see the fat wick from last month? It's like, man, it's gonna go up. It's like a little false breakout thing. I'm gonna start doing that because by doing that, it just looks a lot clearer too. To be honest,
All
in
right.
terms of long-term trades.
So now that I've indicated those highs and low swing points, I can indicate. I can also put a trend line here.
Mm.
Got a trend line there, top trend line, and I can put a trend line bottom here. All right. So now I have a channel on my weekly.
Okay, so this is for the weekly right here.
Yeah, this is the weekly time frame.
Okay.
Then I come down to the daily, and this is what I have based on the analysis I've done on the time
Gotcha.
frame.
Okay.
Yeah, and it looks like a double bottom is gonna break that
Double
channel too.
bottom and a clear breakout of the trend
Yeah.
line right here. So with that being
Wow.
said, our
You
next
say,
target can be found using our Fibonacci swing
I'm
high
sorry, I don't mean to cut you off. You said it's a double bottom where I must have missed it.
right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a strong breakout too.
So now what I
Now,
did was I pulled my Fibonacci from. Let me change the color of it. What color can we do?
sometimes I feel like I think too much.
Yeah, that you can't overthink it.
Yeah, because
Definitely.
I was just thinking, where's I'm not gonna put that in existence.
Yes, it can definitely be overthought. So now you see here on the daily, I have pretty much a roadmap based on the information I took from the monthly, and the weekly.
Right.
I took my Fibonacci from this swing high here to this low double bottom, and now I have potential targets right here
Okay.
at the 100, which is right here at the top, the 161, or even higher up here at the 261.
Oh, so
I
use
have
the
a
extension. Okay.
I have a question. I mean, like, I'm still learning it, so don't. um, with this Fibonacci, did that give you the points when you're trading on where to enter, when you stop and loss, and you take profit?
Yes, based on this
Okay.
drawing my swing high to swing low here, you could simply put your stop here below the 20.
Okay.
Knowing that the minimum retracement is going to be right here
Be
at the
there.
100.
Right. Okay.
And I've got the potential target zones highlighted here in this blue.
Gotcha.
And those points are based on Fibonacci sequence.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that's it.
Okay, somebody said about the New York reversals. All right, so New York reversals. Let me see what the pound Aussie's doing. I think pound Aussie's still running. Yeah. Now, here the green box is the New York session. So I can tell you right off the bat, right here on this pound Aussie, we're not getting a New York session reversal.
Right.
For the simple fact, going into the New York session, we don't even have a first leg yet.
Cool.
Okay.
And the eight.
A complete first leg yet.
Okay.
If this isn't a confirmed first leg because it's been broken here, so this leg is voided. That makes sense.
You said it's been
Consider
broken.
this
It's
a
been
first
broken
leg.
where?
Say that again.
It's been broken where?
Right here.
Okay.
So this is don't consider this a first leg number one. It was leg number one until it was broke here.
Gotcha.
Now this is leg number one or a straightaway, and you would consider this first leg, this second leg. So we would say
Okay. I see what you're saying.
this would be a
Okay.
W pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
That W to break. See, that's what happened to me too. W to break the high. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, when that W comes back to break that high, that W comes back and drills it.
Yeah. You ain't lying. I saw that
firsthand.
firsthand.
Drills it. So I expect a good 50 pip push off this pound.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you end going the right way, you'll know it. Trust
Yeah, it'll be like that jump
me.
moving.
You'll see your
You
profits
know, you
jump
don't have to
so
think no
fast.
more. All right, I'm going to sleep.
Right. You'll see your profits jump so fast.
Okay, that makes sense.
All right, hold on. Let me check the chat. Anybody got any? Let me see. In the inverted hammer, not first leg. That bit gone. How do you run? All time frames. Honestly, I would say getting started, Zach. The first thing, what you want to do is make sure you do your top-down analysis. Just until you get in the habit and you train your eyes to see the analysis without having to draw it, but actually go through the steps and train yourself. Because once you go through the steps for about a month straight, you'll start doing the steps in your eyes.
Yeah, that's what I'm working on now.
And once you start doing the steps in your eyes, it lowers your chart work, lessens your chart work
Right,
rather,
right,
because you can
right.
pretty much eyeball it. But actually go through that's like saying, for instance, learning how to dribble with your eyes closed. If you don't dribble with your eyes open for the first year or two, you ain't dribbling with your eyes closed.
Right.
Ain't no way in hell. I still can't dribble with my eyes closed.
Yeah, I'm still in the beginning stages of it. It's taking me a while,
Yeah, I understand that.
but I ain't giving up.
Patience
I
is
see.
key, man. Patience is key.
Yeah, patience is key.
This is the
If
gateway
anything
right
has
here.
ever tested your patience, it will be trading.
I'm not gonna lie. This like has taught me so much patience in life.
Right.
Like shit.
It flows into other aspects too, don't it?
Yeah. Oh
It
yeah.
humbles you. It humbles you so much.
Humbles you like hell. For real. Anybody have any other questions about it? Thanks, my brother Jason. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, see, we're shooting on that pound. That pound's gonna go long, long ball. And UJ should still be falling hard too. I'm gonna look at it
Oh,
in a second.
John.
Yeah.
What? So like for moving averages, I've been using EMA sometimes. To for like a intraday trend. I've been asking you all these times. But what moving averages should I use for that? If I'm like just trading intraday.
For intraday trading, you want to use. I'm gonna actually set it up here on the chart as I speak. I'm gonna set up a intraday chart here. But what I use basically on the intraday, you'll want to use the 21 and the 21 and 200.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull it up so you can see what it looks like. So everybody can see what it looks like. All right, here the first one is gonna be the 200 that I'm putting up there now. All right, so this is the 200. Notice how this 200 falls on my ADR high. That's a target.
Okay.
On the 15, also the target. 4 hour, it was the support. So we'll likely be going up on the pound for the rest of the month, to be honest. The reason I say that is because using the 200, you can count bump up to 2 time frames.
Mhm.
And what I mean in detail about that is when you have the 200 can count up. So on, for example, on the 5 minute, the 200 plays either support or resistance for the
Right.
15 minute to the hour. You can see it on the 5 minute charts. 200 moving average is the 15 minute to 1 hour support.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I said that wrong. Scratch that.
I'll tell you one thing. These charts are starting to feel a lot clearer to me too. For
Said it's a
sure.
lot clearer to see.
Yeah, because I mean, my biggest halt was just the highs and the lows. That's all. Just trading off of them. Because I had one bias. Like, if I'm at a low, I want to buy. If I'm at a high, I want to sell. But it's like it's not always gonna reject off of that. You know what I'm saying? It could bounce off. It could break it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is like another step in me becoming better for sure. And I'm
One
starting to like
thing
see
to
it clear.
always keep in mind when anticipating a high or a low of the day, look at yesterday's.
Okay.
Always look at yesterday's.
What if it like breaks yesterday's high and like it makes another high?
Then if it breaks yesterday's, let me try to find an example real quick. Well, in this situation, it broke yesterday's low. And made
Right.
another low.
Right.
What's significant about this is how the low was handled.
It rejected fast off of it.
You see this particular 2 hour block right here
Mm.
was likely between 3 to 4 and 4 to 5.
Mm. It just trapped traders right there. So I see that fast shift too.
That's the shift right there. And on the
Mm.
15-minute chart, that's what it looks like.
Okay.
That is that 90-minute window.
Okay.
If you count the first 30, 30, 30, 90, and it shoots straight up. Also, this blue trace
Mm.
indicates yesterday's low.
Right.
So let's see how that action happens
Yeah. Yeah.
right here.
What's wrong with you?
A good trap.
I see it. Mm.
Now, why do you call it a trap?
That's what was wrong with you.
Say that again?
Why do you call it a trap down there again? Where you were just at?
Why do I call it a trap?
Yes.
Oh, because there's somebody stuck in a cell, mad as hell right now that their account's going negative. Because they were tricked right here in the trap.
So what do I need to look out for to avoid this?
Patterns like this at the higher low of the day.
The higher low of the day. Okay.
Somebody sold because
Yeah, and all those sell orders too.
they sold because they saw this move right here.
Okay.
And then right after that candle closed, this is the lowest.
I'm saying you just came home, went straight in your room.
Say that again?
See right here, this point right here was the lowest point of the day.
Right.
So if they were selling there, that is the worst place to sell.
Okay.
Because as soon as they entered the sell, price turned around and ain't been back since. That's a
Oh, wow.
That's
Okay,
why
I see what you're
they got
saying.
trapped right here.
shit.
That's actually what my first buy
Wow.
entry. My first buy was right here.
Okay.
She
Right.
did
Yeah.
not,
So when you
man.
see that, you would, when you see that and it changes, you want to buy instead of sell.
Right. Especially at the higher
Gotcha.
low of the day.
Gotcha. Okay.
Most
Okay.
9 times out of 10, the trap is going to happen at the higher low of the day.
Wow.
That's why I only enter my trades at the higher low of the day. I don't
Right,
enter
right, right.
too much in here. I only entered in right here because I took profit on this one and I wanted to keep going for the ride. But normally, my
Shit.
entries are only at the absolute highs or lows.
Yeah, they was fucked if they sold in that one. Yeah.
So on even on GU, you know how like you said like the 90-minute rule. So
Yeah.
like say like on the 15-minute, because it did respect the high at one point, and like I'm just looking out on TradingView, right? I could have sold there and just waited 90 minutes. Then it's like, all right, well, because it made that, you see that fat wick right there
This
on
one,
the
yeah.
15? Yeah, so yeah, right there, it's like, okay, I can sell it. Wait 90 minutes, it didn't like it's just hovering, just chilling right there at the high. And it's like, okay, I'm gonna get out of my sell and turn that into a buy. Especially right when it rejected a little bit more and then engulfs at the end before that like push. You know what I'm saying?
Right here,
Up a little bit more. So like up, and then you see how it comes back and retraces and then engulfs.
right here.
Yeah. So
Notice
that
how
like
this engulfing falls right on
the high, right? The
the
previous
high.
high. Mm-hmm.
So that right there would have signaled that okay,
Buy.
this would have been the New York session too.
Mm-hmm.
This would have been the New York session buy and
Mm-hmm.
not a New York session reversal.
Right.
Notice how price is still continuing. Now,
Right.
if we go here, if I put on this moving average, let's see where the 200 falls. The 200,
Yeah,
the
that
200
moving
is
average
probably
is
going to
nice
be
on
right
it.
here, and we probably just crossed over the 200. No, the 200 down here. 200
Yeah,
down
the
here.
on the 15 though, the 21, it broke the high and then it came right back to the 21 and then engulfed right after that too. So like it was pretty much perfect.
Right here.
Yeah.
Clean bounce.
Yeah.
That's that moving average bounce that a lot of
Mhm.
traders like to use. When
Mhm.
you get that railroad or something like that on that
Yeah.
21, that's that bounce. Some people specifically only
That's
trade
nice.
this.
Yeah, I know someone that does that actually. He only trades moving averages.
So he pretty much trades the bounces
Yeah.
on the moving average.
Mhm.
Yeah, you see that's a clean strategy.
Mhm.
You too often leave chips on the board, but it's definitely safe.
Right.
It's
Now,
definitely safe.
I feel like that combined with knowing where you are in terms of like the market and like the highs and lows, and then combining moving averages too, then it's like
Yeah.
you can compound after that, you know?
Once you do I like to do my analysis. I like to do my analysis, all my analysis, empty on a naked chart,
Mhm.
and then I go back and apply indicators to see if the technicals or the
Okay.
actual indicators are telling me the same thing my eyes see.
Cool, cool.
I use the
Oh,
indicators
okay.
as pretty much almost like a spell check.
Right.
Hey, John, I got one more question too. So like after that fat wick, once it rejects, when it rejected off of the high, when would you have been like, okay, it's definitely gonna break?
You talking about this?
Hmm.
I would have been like, it's definitely gonna break right here.
Okay. Okay.
As soon as this pretty much turned around from this low
Mm.
and crossed over this moving average,
Mm.
I'd have been like, yeah, we're going for the high.
Okay. Because after that, it's like already did its work, you know, messing with that high previously anyway. You know what I'm saying? So that makes sense.
What's the easiest way for you to read these charts without indicators if you don't have any?
Just
Like,
price
what's the
action,
most?
doing your
Yeah,
top down analysis and
candlesticks.
price action.
Say it one more time.
Doing just the price, your top down analysis and using price action.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna top down analysis everything now.
Yeah,
And
start
then
at that monthly. Go at least go down from your monthly to your daily,
okay.
and you'll see a
Okay.
clear picture from there.
Man, I know for a fact, man. Once I get these highs and lows locked down, man, it's over, bro. 'Cause that's like my next. You know, like when you hit an obstacle and then you go over that hurdle and then
Yeah,
like
you get the next one,
you have
right?
that
That's the
super
last
strong
one.
run. Yeah, and then it's like, okay, I got another obstacle. That's me right now, man.
Just the last one before you beat the game.
Yeah. Well, nah, I still got more. I still got more, but it's I'm gonna be a smooth sailor after that.
Gotcha.
Hey, I got another question, John. So when looking at these highs and lows too, I've been looking at like the 5 minute lately, mainly because I've been seeing like a lot more detailed price action, like when it comes to like being at the highs and lows. So like if it breaks the highs or if it's just chilling at the high, like I can see things a little bit clearer. Do you think I should keep doing that, or do you think I should stay on a higher time frame, like a
Um,
15 minute compared to a 5?
Stay on the higher time frame.
Okay.
Now, using the 5 in conjunction always helps, but
Yeah.
trust the higher time frame over the lower time frame.
Okay. Because what I was doing was I was going to like I'll be like 30, 15, and then the 5, and then seeing how it all correlates with each other, basically. You
Right,
know
I
what I'm
get you. I
saying?
get what you're saying.
'Cause especially too, like when I see the 5 minute and it's just chilling, like every time I see this, I'm starting to notice it starts to like consolidate at the highs and lows on a lower time frame. I feel like it's gonna break because like it shouldn't do that.
I
It should
typed
just
stop on my UJ, and it was just
chill
clicked
out.
on this on that little spike,
Mm,
so I just re-entered.
cool.
And that was on UJ.
On pound, John, when you go to the 5 minute, you can see like once that high is reached again too, you can see how it just consolidates at that high, which is a clear indication too that it's gonna break as well, in my opinion.
On this pound USD or another.
Yeah, pound USD. You see how it's like consolidating right there on the 5 minute?
Yeah.
Once it reaches that high again, like basically before that push. And then basically right when it comes up and
Right
test
here.
the high. Well, previously too.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely a indication that we're gonna push higher.
Mm. Oh, and even lower too, like all the way down before that run, that super strong push, like even lower than that, right there. Yeah, right there. You see how it's
That
just
right there is
consolidating
another
right there at the high?
classic,
I, yeah,
classic
classic.
moving average bounce.
Yeah. And I feel like there too, it was inducing more people to sell. I like thinking it's like a triple top, but it's just waiting there to accumulate more orders before breaking. You know
Right,
what I'm saying?
because a lot of the market makers know traders trade that particular setup. Like
Mm,
when this candle broke and closed below the moving average,
mm,
that indicated to some traders to sell.
mm.
And immediately when they hit that sell button, you see what happened.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Right, right, right.
But is this another trap? Right.
Yeah, that's another trap.
Right.
The
Okay.
market will always trap you before it makes its move.
Right, right.
Right.
Or the market will always trap traders because the less traders who got it right, the less traders they got to pay.
Money have to give
Mhm.
out. Right.
So before they make a move, they'll always throw little stuff like that. They know traders sell or buy at the break, like even right here. This long white candle that broke below the moving average.
That's crazy
Hmm.
too, though, because that literally happened as soon as New York opened.
What, this right here?
Yeah, that move.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. It's like perfect timing, literally.
Exactly.
It like
Now this right
consolidated.
here,
Yeah. So that was all
watch it do the
profit.
same thing on this pound USD. On this 5 minute, watch how it closes or breaks
Mm.
below this moving average, and let's watch what happens right after. So at 10:45, let's watch what happens.
All right.
That gives us about 7 minutes. Now, if I was using the 5 minute chart as for my entries,
Mm-hmm.
I would be looking to enter roughly at 10:40 or 10:45, 10:50 within the next 5 minute candles. I'll be
Mm.
looking to enter, considering they're trapping.
Right.
They're trapping on the 5 minute chart. Every time frame has its own functions
Yeah.
and attributes, characteristics. So they're trapping on the 5 minute, not saying they're trapping on the 4 hour because the 4 hour is still up.
That makes so much sense too.
They're trapping
And
on
the
the 5 minute.
because a lot of times too, for me, I would totally forget about the ADR, so I would just think about the reversal. But like, it's 10:38. They should have been reversed a while back anyway. But then again, the
Exactly.
ADR hasn't been
Now,
met. So.
now that's where the timing comes in.
Right.
It's 10:30. If they were gonna reverse, they would have did it already.
Mm.
So now they're consolidating and they're gonna push back up. They're just looking for more sellers.
Cool.
And how do you know that they would have reversed because of the time, man?
Right, because of the timing. The new move will always the traps always happen within the first 60 to 90 minutes of the session.
Gotcha.
So
Okay.
considering we're past that, we're not reversing. We're just consolidating, getting ready for another push up. All they're doing is
Right.
baiting in more sellers to take their money.
Gotcha.
Everybody likes the trade from the higher and low of the day, but not everybody knows how to figure it out.
Hmm. That was the hardest thing for me before I met you. Hardest thing.
All right, y'all see that 5 minute candle?
Yeah. That's wild.
Okay, yeah, okay, I see it.
Perfect. Nice hammer. About to form. Pin bar.
Another thing that gives this high breach away is this 4 hour candle. That's not a top. This 4 hour chart is breaching
Yeah, that previous high.
that previous high. So we know we're still going up. We're just looking for our next push.
Okay.
See, the 4 hour is breaching this high. So we know we're still pushing up on a higher time frame.
Mm.
So all we needed to do was find the next buy on a lower time frame.
Oh man.
Oh, okay.
If you want, you can go to the lowest, which is the one at 1 minute, and the 1 minute showing you that it just came back down here to the gas up.
Yeah, I'm not about that life though. But that makes sense. Consolidation. That 1 minute's too much for me. That's way too much for me, man.
Trust me, it took me a couple years to get that 1 minute down pat.
Oh man, yeah, no,
Being
that
able
5
to-
is good enough for me, man. Hey, one day though, one day.
Once you're able to do the big picture,
Mm.
just find the lows of those points, the ultimate.
You better go.
Like if I'm looking
Oh, you work this morning?
to expect
You work tonight too?
or the next
Oh, well.
the next 4 hour candle to spike up,
Mm.
I'm looking for something like a double bottom or a buy signal on the 5 minute chart.
Okay.
So for example, on this 4 hour chart right here, where it was a clean little buy setup
Mm.
right in here, you can actually see it here.
Okay. Yeah, I see it.
Hey Jay,
Yeah.
do you see on UJ where the buy is still going on? I checked the 4 hour chart, and I actually think the sell is gonna happen around about 190, 194, something like that, somewhere around there.
You
And
said
that's when
on
it's gonna
UJ?
make, yeah. And that's when I think it's gonna make that big fall. And I think that's gonna actually happen like on Wednesday, I believe. But I'm
On
looking at the
UJ,
4 hour.
I'm in a sell on UJ from that new high that it just set, and that is 108.5. I'm in at 108.520.
I have a question. How long do you typically hold your trades for, knowing whether it's going to be good or bad? How long do you hold out? Like, how do you know when to pull out?
If I'm not in significant profit within an hour and a half, I'm out.
Okay.
Okay.
Not even 2 hours. Hour and a half, I'm done.
Yeah, I'm out.
All right.
Gotcha.
That's what I'm
Because
gonna do.
when you get it right at the right time, you're in and out within typically 30 minutes to one session at the max.
You right?
So you
Gotcha.
don't think so that it's gonna go back up?
No, I don't see it pushing up too much further. I actually see a drop coming here. If you look on here on the 5 minute chart, that's what we're starting to get.
Yeah, I don't mess around with that 1 minute either.
Yeah, 1 minute. Wow.
That one
It's a
minute
rough
right
play.
there be crucial. You
But
be like,
also too
damn.
for you, Jay, it is going. It's going back to the high of the day too. So
See how
Yeah,
on this one
that's what
minute
I was
here on
saying because
UJ?
I saw it on the 4 hour.
Look at this 1 minute here on UJ.
mm,
We're reversing off that high as we speak.
yeah.
I also have a trend line here on the 1 minute chart that we're respecting as well.
Hey, I have a question, John.
Yeah.
So it is getting close to the high of the day, right? And it's 10:30, 10:43. Oh wait, am I totally wrong? I'm totally wrong. Wait, hold on.
10:43.
No, you're right.
Yeah,
10:43.
yeah, 10:43, and it's pretty close. It's about what, like 12. It's 12 bips away from the high of the day. Do you 'cause sometimes like it'll get close to the high of the day, but it won't actually breach it. It'll
Reach it.
completely shift sometimes, and then
Right.
sometimes it'll
Now,
completely
from here
break it.
on UJ, I do see that complete shift coming for the simple fact that we are right under today's high,
Mm,
and yesterday's high is in the same spot.
right.
So if we breach today's high, we're also breaching tomorrow's high. So if we let today's volume free that's trapped at the high, you're
Uh-huh.
also freeing up yesterday's volume, which they're not going to do
Okay.
And
Okay.
why are they not going to do that?
because then they're giving money away.
hmm
Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha.
If they
When
got
when
your
is
money, they're not going to give it back.
Right. Right.
So they got buyers trapped on UJ. They're not going to let them free.
Gotcha. Okay.
so
They finna take all their money. They giving them hope. They got a little hope right now because they came back for them. If they bought
yeah, they
earlier,
think they think that they think they're about to break even.
yeah, they
They
think
gotta break
they
even.
think they finna break even.
Wow.
It be like that all the
Yeah,
time, bro.
but
I remember times where I'm like, I'm almost break.
It's finna wipe them clean.
Oh
It'll
my
probably
god.
shoot down 80 pips past the
Oh, I
low.
see it now. I see what
Pass,
it's
bro.
doing now. It's consolidating off that higher high
Right, and what
of the
gave it
week.
away is the failure
Yeah,
to breach the high.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one
I
minute.
saw that on the hour chart.
Yeah, that 15 minutes throwing a wick too.
That
15 minutes through a
the
wick.
15 threw a wick up there.
Yeah. So that makes so much sense. That makes so much sense.
Hey, are you in Euro USD?
No, I'm just in the pound in the UJ.
Okay. For the Euro USD, I got my TP set at 1.15.
1.15.
Yeah,
That's about right.
yeah.
That's
So,
about 40 pips.
I've been holding it since like Friday.
so your thoughts on these ripples, John?
All right.
No.
Ripple. My thought is that it's going up. All cryptos are going up.
Okay.
It's just a matter of when. And right now they have a split going on with the cryptos, which should end. I think they said on the 8th, which is tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
But when that releases, we might see XRP. It's at 36 cent or 37 right now, but we might see it open up tomorrow at $50.
Sheesh.
This is the same type of situation that they had when Bitcoin jumped from 3,500 to 19,000. It was
God
the same.
damn.
It
So
was the same kind of update.
you gotta get in while you can.
Right. Get in while you can.
And you said that's with what XRP, right?
Yeah, that's the main currency that the split is happening on is with XRP, but it's gonna affect the whole crypto market.
Okay. Okay.
So basically We should be buying all crypto tomorrow.
Technically, I would have already bought it.
Shit.
Yeah,
Because if
you
you
got
buy
like
tomorrow-
100 shares in
If
Ripple.
you
I
buy
heard.
tomorrow, you're buying at the new rate.
Right.
Like anybody who bought last week bought
no.
the Ripple coins at 36 cents. If it opens at 50 tomorrow and you buy tomorrow, you're buying them at $50, not 36 cents.
And talk about it still
That's
when
why
you
they say
say
if you see the move, you're likely late.
damn.
You want to be in before the moves. That's where your analysis comes in.
Right. Okay.
Because if you're actually looking at the move take place, trying to find an entry, you're gonna miss it.
Too late.
Yeah, you're too late. You want to be in
Hey,
position.
do you buy your crypto off of Binance?
Yeah.
Okay, that's where I get mine from
Y'all
too.
see that 1 minute breaking? Pew.
For
Where you get your
Ripple, I got
cryptos from?
Binance.
Yeah, Binance.
Binance.
Yeah. I ain't rich as you, John. So I bought like 10 coins.
Oh shoot, that's well, but that was $3. I mean, that's a work. That'll work. I mean, shoot, you gonna make something back off of that.
Hell yeah.
Hey, UJ look like it's about to start falling.
Yeah, we should. I see this next push coming in to close out this hour and stuff.
5 minutes showing a double top.
I mean, I didn't want to buy it too heavy. I was just trying to see what it was gonna give me. See what can I get back from it. That's all.
That's understood.
You know, just dibbing and dabbing in it. Since I'm just
I
coming back
feel
into
you.
the market.
I feel you. Ain't
Look
nothing wrong
at
with
that,
that.
how that 5 minute bounced way up off that moving average.
Mm-hmm.
I've been out for a little minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna start using these two moving averages. I'm gonna, you know how like on TradingView, if you get the premium, you can replay and then just like literally just go forward in time. I don't know if you knew that, but you can do that. John.
Say that one more time.
So on TradingView, if you buy the premium, it's like I think it's like 10 or 15 a month or something.
Yeah, I think it's like 14.
Yeah, you can replay. Like you can go back in 2018, the beginning of the year, and like just literally trade, and like you just press play, and the candlesticks will start painting every couple of seconds, and you can literally trade in like real time. That's what I'd be doing all day.
Right.
That's what I'm like.
That's a good clutch. That comes.
Yeah,
in
man.
Clutch. TradingView has some great tools.
It's so good, man. It's like this is like the best tool for you to like perfect your craft, really.
Honestly, TradingView is one of the best trading platforms to actually do your analysis on.
Mm.
But I didn't start using TradingView until 3 years into my trading.
Mm.
So I'm still more comfortable with MetaTrader 4.
I feel you. I do my analysis on TradingView and I trade on MetaTrader.
Yeah, I would actually encourage new traders to do the analysis on TradingView.
Mm-hmm.
Trading only on when it comes down to like that and you do the analysis on TradingView, you can literally do all of your trading on your phone.
Mm-hmm. That's what I be doing.
Oh, okay.
Do your analysis
That's what I
on
be
the
doing.
computer and just enter
Is there an app for that or?
I didn't know if we needed to. Did we need to?
Not with
I don't think it'll
TradingView.
be able
With
to
TradingView,
come
you
off
want to
after
use
the-
that on the computer.
Yeah, I had told
And you want to
your guys'
use
boss
MT4
that
on your
was one
phone
of the
just
things
to
that y'all
exit
would have to
trades.
do.
Hey, John.
Wait, say that. Hold on,
There's
that's too
enough room
loud.
back there to get that
Somebody
tape off
loud.
the top.
Yeah.
Say that again.
Hey, you should tell them how I've been trading on my phone this whole time.
Oh yeah, true.
I've been killing it for real just off my phone. I just got a laptop not too long ago. I haven't set everything up yet. I gotta go back to the videos on YouTube.
Would you use a MetaTrader app on your phone? To
Yeah,
trade?
MetaTrader.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
MetaTrader app on your phone.
Okay.
MetaTrader 4.
Do you still have the videos up on how to set it up on the laptop?
I
Are they still on YouTube?
I should. I think I removed some of the older videos, but check and see if you see it, and if you don't, I'll repost it.
Okay, because the problem I had was adding my broker onto it.
You said adding your
It was,
broker.
yeah, adding
on
You talking about
JFX.
the server?
Yeah,
Okay, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go into it and hit once you log on your phone. You talking about on the computer, right?
yeah.
When you do it on the computer, you'll click File and actually you'll want to click Open Account, Open an account, and then when that box pops up, at the bottom you'll just type in the broker and then log in.
Yeah, but it wouldn't come up though. That's the thing. It wouldn't come up. It wouldn't come up. JFX.
Oh, you have to search the browser. I mean, search the server. I think.
Yeah, you gotta search. Now you gotta search for it when you hit.
Yeah, I searched it. I put it in. I browsed for it, and it still wouldn't come up. I probably just have to
In that
play with it
case,
again.
What you'll want to do is go straight to jfx.com and download their version of MetaTrader.
Okay.
Because if you download their version of MetaTrader, you don't have to search for the server. It'll be automatically on that download.
Okay, that's what I might do then. JAFX has been having all type of issues.
I haven't withdrawn.
Somebody was hacking it. Somebody had hacked it.
Somebody hacked JFX?
Like it was like 2 weeks ago.
Oh wow.
I don't remember that. Wait, was it an email? I think I got that email. I just didn't look at it.
Yeah, it was in an email, and it was basically like your account, like you couldn't like buy or sell anything. Your account was froze.
Oh.
Like you couldn't trade at all. So wherever you left off it just stuck. It just stayed there.
Oh. Sheesh.
That sucks.
I haven't withdrawn money off of JFX yet, but John, when I do that, should I do via Bitcoin and just send it to my Coinbase account?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because if you do it through your bank, it takes like 2 months.
Yeah.
You said
That's
if you do wire. You said if you do wire. Yeah, if you do that wire transfer, that shit takes forever.
No, I'm saying like the bank transfer, not the wire.
Okay,
not the
yeah,
wire
bank
transfer.
It's the same thing, but yeah, those take forever.
Yeah,
So,
it take like
wait.
2 months.
Debit credit card. Well, I don't think they offer those anymore. But even the debit credit card withdrawals take forever.
For the what's the for
Because I made withdrawals with the debit credit card. It took like a month.
Yeah,
But I was just like, fuck it. I just transferred it back to my Coinbase.
is there like a limit that you can deposit into your bank? Like
Yeah, for JFX, if you're using JAFX, I think their limit, like on credit cards, is like $50 a week. If
okay.
you're using a prepaid card, it all depends.
What about
That's like $1,000 a week.
okay.
Because they just started adding like limits and stuff that you can use per week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking like for Bitcoin, like if I make a lot of money and I gotta like withdraw via Bitcoin, like how am I supposed to put all that money in my account?
Hey, but look though, they actually have something on there on Coinbase to where you can actually buy like bundles. Like you could buy like the 5 bundles. Like you could buy Bitcoin,
Yeah.
Ethereum, all those. You could buy them and just keep them in there and hold it, so you ain't got to worry about it. They could be separate, and you could just open up another, Coinbase thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Trying to get it from all type of ways.
Hey, John,
As you should, right?
did you say there was like a Coinbase credit card or something?
Yeah, there's a card you can link your
Bitcoin to?
Yeah, it's called BitPay.
Bruh, that is crazy. So you telling me I can go buy groceries with it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's got the Visa logo, so it's accepted anywhere Visa is.
That's wild. So basically, like, if I'm say I make a ton of money, and then I withdraw via Bitcoin into my Bitcoin wallet, my Bitcoin credit card, whatever wallet thing.
Yep, there's a Visa you can link to the Coinbase to actually swipe off your Coinbase balance.
Oh. Oh, okay, I see it now. Oh, the wallet thing. Is it the wallet thing?
BitPay?
Oh, that's something else.
Yeah, BitPay. Type in BitPay card in Google.
Bro, this is wild.
Can't wait to get where you guys are.
Hey, I'm not there yet, man. I'm gonna get there eventually, but I'm just gotta make sure I know what I'm doing before I get.
I hope for Great Britain and Euro, I hope for the USD, I hope they still not think they in the sale, because that buy is about to shoot.
Mm-hmm.
That hour about to come up in like 2 minutes.
That shift, I believe, should happen right at 11 too.
Yeah.
Or at least that's what I'm seeing based on these patterns that are forming.
Oh, it's about to jump dramatically.
And I know it might look crazy, but I can actually read every chart that you see right here.
Wow.
I wish I could do that. I go one at a time. My brain will start hurting. My brain hurting when I'm already looking at charts now.
I wish I would have got that Euro USD January the 3rd.
Hey,
right at the high.
Mm-hmm.
When it starts to hit a high.
Hey, yo, John. I'm looking at the 5 minute right now, and on pound, and it looks like it's gonna be a fat wick and then engulfing after that, because it looks like it's respecting that previous swing. Pound dollar.
Okay, right here.
It looks like it's respecting that swing, that swing.
This swing high.
Yeah, swing high. It looks like it's respecting that. Or the low part. You know what I'm saying? It may not respect it, but it looks like it is.
Somewhere right here?
Yeah, that little baby swing.
Okay.
It may not, but it looks like it is to me.
Let's see. Yeah, likely it is. Look at the 1 minute chart.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
You see that?
Nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Has competed about me like 5 fucking times. Wait, what does that mean? What? No, he's just like posted shit like on Twitter. Like, okay, so earlier when he was over the sea, he like showed me that red baby outfit that you have to like, you have to make things using like some of the stuff that you get into it or whatever. Because it's like, no, he knew about the had it, and he was like, if you're going to play master, so I was like, oh, how? I'm just going to download it. Can't get into it on the computer. I never used to do that. Right. And it's like computer.
Alright, it's 11 o'clock.
Hey, John, you still been following Incentive Q?
I'm not gonna want to talk to you. Yeah, what do you think? I don't ever want to.
Incentive Q.
No, I haven't checked on it in about a month.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think we should, I forgot, but something's supposed to be going on sometimes around next month, though.
The Q?
Yeah.
That's the Q coin, right? You're talking about?
Yeah. I'm going to have to go back and read it. But I think something's supposed to be happening between next month. Hey, if it hit that dollar, we're going to all get paid. For real.
Yeah. What, the Q coin?
Man, that's going to be the most money I ever had in my whole life.
With what, the Q coin?
Yeah, that Q coin.
Am I missing out on something?
Yeah, about a month ago, I had got information about a coin that was projected to hit the market. They were pretty much giving it away for free.
Yeah, I found out about it. It was like 6 months ago. Before you even put it up, I had already had an account. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm going to just do another one. So now I actually got 2 accounts. So
Yeah, my Q account is sitting at like fucking 700-800,000 Q coins or some shit.
damn,
Wow.
bruh,
Jeez.
Yeah, so let them shits hit a dollar or two
How
bruh.
because
much are they right
My
now?
shit,
right now
my
they're worth
shit right
nothing.
now. They ain't worth nothing right now.
So
But
is it recommended that I still go and purchase some, or
you don't have to purchase them.
You don't have to purchase them. It would have to be by link, by invite link.
Yeah, invite
But
link.
oh
I have to find my link or something. If you got a link or something,
hey, that link is dead because they have a timer on it though.
oh shit.
Yeah, that link is dead. If you still got it, it's probably dead. Can't do nothing with it.
No, it's not too
Wow,
late,
that
but you'll want to buy
sucks.
them on MJ. You'll want to buy them on Binance. So what you'll do is you'll of course buy your Bitcoin from Coinbase. Open a Binance account. Send your Bitcoin to Binance, and then buy the coins. Then buy the XRP. Well, rather trade the Bitcoin for XRP. But if you buy, say, $10 in Bitcoin, send $10 to your Binance, you can buy roughly about 300 coins. No, sorry, you can roughly buy about 30 coins with $10.
Hey, damn, I wanted to ask you, what can I just go through the Binance website to buy them, or I would have to go to Coinbase?
You got to go to Coinbase to buy Bitcoins. Binance
Okay.
doesn't take dollars; they only accept Bitcoin. So you have to have Bitcoin before you can do anything on Binance anyway.
Okay.
So is there any chance that they may give another link out before they actually do something next month, maybe for the Q coin?
Once I find my link, I can actually send it to you. Let me look for it real quick.
Hey, make sure that timer is not dead on yours,
I
because it's
hope
dead on
not.
mine.
I hope not.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
Pound CAD. You see how it's at the low of the day right now?
Let's see. Yep, we'll likely shoot up.
Shoot up.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's due to the fact, and the reason I can see that right off the back is because if you look,
There's like a little
we
bit. There's like a
have
little bit.
pretty much a triple bottom. Not necessarily a picture perfect triple bottom, but we have a
You talking
triple bottom
about like from this day? Oh, okay,
right
okay.
there. It's not your picture perfect
Right,
triple
right.
bottom, but it's a triple bottom nonetheless. Because
Okay.
watch where this particular 15-minute closes. If this 15-minute closes above the low
Mm-hmm.
or above where the last 15-minute candle closed, that low is rejected.
Say that one more time.
If this 15-minute candle that we got now
Uh huh.
closes back above the
The previous candle.
the lowest close of the day, the lowest
Yeah.
close of the day is right here. So if we
Okay.
close back above the lowest close of the day, that low is rejected altogether.
And if it just closes below that, do you think it'll just continue?
It may continue, but we'll have to see where it falls in relevance to the overall complete low of yesterday. So
Okay. So
we could really
when
just go from swing low here, swing
yeah.
high with the Fibonacci. We'll see right here at the 61.8.
Okay.
So we
Oh, that's
likely
perfect.
won't close down here.
Okay.
In this 1 minute, we'll likely get ready to bounce in the next 5.
Okay. If it were to continue lower, what do you think should happen?
If it was to go lower, I wouldn't see it exceeding yesterday's low or
Okay.
Friday's low. Because if you look here, if we exceed yesterday, Friday's low, we're also releasing this volume that was trapped here.
Right.
And this is also the low of the year.
Okay. Oh wow, that is the low of the year, you right?
Down here is the low of the year.
Oh, that's why I did that super crazy shift.
Last week,
Yeah, I was
yeah,
like,
it
man,
trapped
that's
people at the low of 2018.
okay. That makes sense. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna breach that then. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So like the really important thing to look at when trading as well, especially intraday, is looking at Do you think looking at the previous like 2 days is really important to see where the volume is trapped?
Yeah, the previous 2 to 3 days, because that's
Okay.
a cycle typically lasts 2 to 3.
Okay, that's just like the cycles and everything. This is a
Yeah.
little different.
Yeah, at the beginning, the volume is trapped at the beginning and end of the cycles.
Okay. Okay. Just getting a little tune up, man. It's getting a little tune up. You know what's crazy? Like this is helping me so much in terms of knowing where I'm need to go in the market. Because sometimes I just be trading, you know what I mean? I just be trading out the high, trading out the lows, blah 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 blah. But I'm not looking at like the bigger picture, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I definitely understand. That's
Hey,
exactly what you mean.
Jonathan, can you make a video on how to do the trade, like from Binance to Bitcoin? Cause
Yeah.
I brought it before, but I forgot.
Alright.
I forget. My mind be going blank sometimes. Or just send me the instructions.
Alright, gotcha.
Huh? I see this Grimes recently tweeted that she's like continuously in China.
Okay, yeah. MJ just posted the Q initiative in the group.
I'm already filling it out. Cannot be behind.
Wait, so what is this again?
It's called Q Initiative. It's a little coin they got coming out. It's gonna be it's apparently projected to replace credit and stuff like that.
Ooh, jeez.
So it's definitely something the financial market's in need of.
Well, I'm signing up for this too.
Yeah.
Hey, I actually have 2 accounts, so what I might do, I might have to just, when that dollar here, I might have to get 2 PayPal accounts.
Once the coin reaches some value, it'll be offered on finance too.
Yeah, but I have two different accounts for the incentive queue though. So do you think I would have to get two PayPals or just get one? It shouldn't matter.
I mean, I think you may only need one if they both go to your name, your email. It might just have like a sub account or something attached to it.
Yeah, I'll just have to figure that out. Hey, but altogether, I'm damn near like for both of them, it's 7,000. So I tripled it. I doubled it, man.
Yeah, you be in there then.
I really wish I could go on this trip. I'm actually planning to go to the Dominican Republic in May.
Hey man, I'm coming if I make some more bread trading. You know what I'm saying? Because it's my only job right now. You know, so we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens.
I've never been to Miami, so maybe if he do another trip, that'll be cool.
Mm.
Yeah, and I'm trying to start my clothing line too, so I've been hellified busy.
Okay.
Yeah, just doing a little something off small, and then
Yeah, that's how you started.
build my credit up so I can get like a business loan or some shit like that.
Okay. Hey, you got it. Keep grinding though. You know what I'm saying? Keep grinding.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna be doing. That's all I do nowadays.
Hey, John, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What's your thoughts about Derek Grace, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, awesome.
Awesome. 'Cause I want to get. Yeah. I was waiting for a whole sentence.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, I was looking for something else too. I was like, okay.
That's all. because I'm interested in buying one of his board games, and you two are the main guys I follow behind, and I'm
Oh
just
yeah, in-home banking, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely a good buy.
Okay, cool.
Definitely gonna get it for my kids.
Nice.
Got about another year or so, but I'm gonna get it. Gonna get it done.
Bro, I can't even like imagine what life's gonna be like in like a year.
Right,
Shoot.
a year from now, the game over.
I be thinking when I'm 20, I'm like, sheesh. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh.
Well, what are we looking at in about a year from now?
A whole bunch of money.
A whole bunch of money.
Ain't gonna know what to do with it, man.
Hey, Jonathan,
Yeah.
do you actually know where I could get those letters from, as far as credit goes, to send them all to get it off, deleted off my credit?
Yeah, I can connect you. Yeah, I got somebody for you. As a matter of fact, DM me and I'll send you his information.
Is it God damn it, what's the name? What's that dude's name? It starts with a T.
No, but the guy I'm actually talking about is actually real quiet, but he's in the group.
Oh, cool. That's the way to be.
Right. He actually has been fixing, repairing credit and all that for like 10 years. He's out in L.A. He actually flew me out there to sit and do some training for him. So he's definitely legit.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this shit rolling.
I can't wait to be on your plateau in life, man. This shit is
It's coming.
Extremely
It's
motivating,
coming,
man.
motivating is an understatement.
Hey, I'm even in my 20s. I'm 22. I'm trying to get myself established before I even hit 30.
Y'all getting it way ahead.
Right,
I'm
y'all getting
27.
way ahead of me, man. I wish I
Word.
did this shit.
I'm 22 too. Yeah.
I'm 27.
I'm trying to get established. For real.
I'm way behind.
30.
Nah, you ain't behind, man. You
That ain't behind. I thought I was behind because everybody.
I thought I was behind too. Shoot.
Picture this though. Y'all getting it 5 years before I got it, so I'm behind.
But you getting it 10 years before anybody else.
Yeah. and then there's some retail traders that be trading for 10 years and just finally got it. You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
That's 10 years.
Right.
Well, I actually had a couple of people that like been asking me, "Hey, what's your trade shit? Let me you help me and this and that." I was like, "Shit, you gonna have to come up off that bread."
Yeah.
Right.
I ain't trying to do none of that though. So I was like, fuck it.
Shoot. If people pay me to, oh my gosh.
It's actually two people. They was like, "Oh yeah, I want to do it." Like, what's that? You tell them about it, they be like, "Well, shit, I don't think that's funny."
Yeah, everybody think it's a scam. I'm like, my dad. I told my dad about it. I told my dad about it. He's like, "Well, yeah, that's a white boy hustle." My dad's a gambler.
They was
My
just
dad's
like,
a gambler.
it's
He
legal
gamble all day.
gambling. That's all they be like. It's legal gambling. You gamble off your life every day by going outside.
Right.
By getting in the car. Niggas gambling they life just hopping in the car.
Well, once my dad told me it's a white boy hustle, I said, all right, this is the white boy hustle. These white guys been winning as long as I've known. Why not?
Right.
Follow.
Shoot, you tell me it's a white boy hustle, I'm all in.
Right.
Yo, you know what's crazy?
I'm gonna shoot you that DM right now.
I just thought about this too. I had a whole bunch of friends that introduced me to trading and stuff. And guess what? I'm the only one
still trading.
No, I'm the last one. I'm the only one.
Nice.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy.
Yeah, this year I plan on quitting my job. I'm trying to do this Forex full time. I'm planning on quitting my damn job.
That's what I'm doing right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I'm going all out.
Me and my girl, we shooting towards August, going full effect.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, what's gonna really get you there is what's going on with that crypto. That crypto for real.
Yeah, that
crypto be a meal ticket for real.
Right. Right, crypto is gonna be the next meal ticket.
Hey yo, John, on CAD right now, I think it's gonna continue to fall, man. Look like it.
Pound CAD. Let me go look.
Yeah, I think too because it hit the high of the day and it just boom, just fell like wildfire. I mean, it could still come back up, but to me, it looks like it might retrace back up and then continue falling a little bit.
Actually, I think it just made its track.
You think so?
Why? Here on the hour, look
Uh-huh.
how the hour, last hour, low
Yeah.
here. Now look at what we see at the 1 minute.
Okay.
So
Yep.
that's showing me that the push down is practically
Over because it's consolidating so much,
exhausted. Exactly.
and then more sellers in too. That makes sense.
More sellers just got brought in
Yeah.
with that break of the low.
Uh huh. And now it's consolidating a little bit more too. Yes, sir. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. It might throw a
If I
wick.
was to enter on this pound CAD,
Uh.
I would analyze my entry at every 15-minute candle close.
Okay.
So if it's not 11:30, 11:45. If it's not 11:45, then 12. But the latest this shift will likely happen is at the turn of the 12 o'clock hour.
Yeah, I was thinking about 12 too, because 12 and then about 3 to 4 more hours to do some work.
So
You know what I'm saying?
next 3 15-minute
I'm in
candles,
the shower,
I'm
but
looking
it's
to
cold.
buy this pound CAD. If
Cool.
not, right at 10:30 or 11:30.
Cool.
But one of these next
My hair's
15-minute
gonna be
candles
wet.
are going to give you
My hair's gonna be wet.
the entry.
Okay. When do you because like I've basically stopped myself, so like I don't really I don't enter any trades after 10.
But I guess it'll be worse. If
Okay.
Like I'm just done after that.
Give it
It's
up
like
until tomorrow.
yeah. It really depends on like where it is at the market though. Like if it didn't do much, then I'll be like, all right. But normally I'm out by 10.
That's understandable.
Well, like done.
Normally
Like I'm not
whenever
gonna actually get in any more trades.
My good London entries, I'm
Yeah.
normally completely done by 11.
Yeah. Now I might still hold some trades. I just won't like enter any more trades. You know what I'm saying?
I understand. Yeah.
Hey John, when you are in the chat and you putting your buys and sells up at maybe 3:30, 4 in the morning, why is that?
Because that's when the London session, that's when the pretty much trading day really begins. And volatility
Okay.
picks up at 3 o'clock.
Okay, no, because I'm at work around that time, and I'm like, damn. Every time I get out, I'm like, fuck, I miss it.
Okay, yeah, that's when the day pretty much starts. That's when a lot of entries really present. That's because they'll always present at the like I was saying earlier, within the first 90 minutes.
90 minutes,
of the
right? Okay.
session. And then London session starts at 3, and New York session starts at 9.
Okay, 6 hour difference. Okay.
So
Hey, can you look at Euro Great Britain? I mean the pound.
Euro pound.
Yeah, Euro pound.
Yeah, I'm still learning all the terminology and everything.
Hey, baby pips helps.
Oh,
Yeah,
with
it's
the
very
terminology.
long. Baby pits is long and it's long.
It's
I'm working
long
on
as
it.
hell. Like I'm
Yeah.
still, like to be
Yeah.
honest, I'm on the middle school part, and I ain't been back in like months. I was
Yeah, I
just
gotta
like,
go and finish mine.
fuck it.
John, you gotta start a school, man. You gotta start a school and write a book. Forex Academy.
John, you know what you need to do? You need to make your YouTube channel, dog. That's what you need to do.
Yeah,
Shoot.
I got it. This is actually gonna be the first little live stream session that's supposed
Okay. Hey man, I'm telling you, bro. Once everything starts popping off and I buy a cameraman, I can do some cinematography, dog. You know what I'm saying?
I need
Hey,
it.
I actually have a friend that's actually there do cinema too.
Okay.
Networking is key. I love it.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
but he just ain't got the drive. I be trying to help him out, but can't help everybody.
Right.
I'm not. I don't know nothing about it, but I'm creative as hell.
All right, I'm
It's
buying
fun.
pound cat. Just got in.
Okay.
Stop
Did you
it.
ever
Stop
look
it.
at Euro Great Britain?
I'm pulling it up now. I just wanted to go ahead and grab that entry before it got too far gone. But I just bought that pound cat.
How do you know
Hey,
when it's too far
you,
gone? If you
you
don't.
bought it? I bought it too.
Too far gone to me means too far away from the low. I only buy at the higher low.
Okay, right.
So too
Okay,
far gone would have been 10 pips away from the low. I want to get as
right.
close to the low of the day as possible.
Okay. I'm feeling you. I'm feeling you. Cause I was trying to figure out what you meant by low, but like we're literally at the low right now.
Literally,
Yeah, it's as low as it's gonna get us
Yeah.
here.
right within 4 pips. Once we get 10
Nice.
to 15, that's too far. If I get past the
Okay.
spread, I'm too far from the low, really, in my
Okay.
opinion. Because being this close to the low, even a stop out won't hurt.
Right.
But if I'm right, I getting the whole payday.
Mhm.
Oh,
That's why I like because even before you see how it rejected the high, it rejected the high and just boop, easy money. You know
And
what
you
I'm saying?
said that was the
Right here, low, low, low. There we go.
which
what
one
pair
is
was
this one we're
this?
looking at right now?
You said what pair is this?
Yeah.
No, that you just bought.
Pound cat.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be entering on the 5 minute now.
Here we go. The 5 minute. We'll see what we get.
Wait
Coming
for that
in this
engulfing.
11:30 close.
So with the initial queue, after I sign up and review the video, what do I do after that?
Just wait.
Really, at that point, to earn more and more coins, you just share it with as many people as you can.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, you earn coins by when they sign up.
Oh wow, okay.
But they
And
do it
what's
for
Yeah.
free. So what you want to do is encourage them to share it too,
Right. Okay. Okay.
because you'll get more coins by them sharing it.
It's a funnel process basically.
Basically, yeah, exactly.
Okay. Nice.
So what's your stop loss on pound cat?
I got a 13 pip.
69.77.
I got like a 13 pip stop loss right now.
I got a 3. Well, what is this? 8.
So there'll be 1.6975 somewhere in there.
Yeah, about 169. Yeah.
I got 1.6977 as my stop loss.
Mine's same.
Yeah, I got
Well, 752.
yeah.
So, John, can you go over again why we entered this buy? I mean, I know we're at the low, but like just in general, like why it's a good position besides like being at the low.
Just looking at this hour chart, if you look,
Yeah.
we got 3 bottoms.
Okay.
With this,
Okay.
With this
From
first
all those
bottom
3
being the
days.
low of the day.
Are you talking about like just in conjunction like with the previous 2 days, and this is being like the third hit? Okay.
So it's not gonna close that oh, it's not gonna close because it's actually closed as it was changing until the next day. So I don't think it's gonna close that candle. Is it
Hold
on
which
the
way?
1 hour for pound cat?
Is it gonna close? What do you mean? It's definitely gonna. All the candles close. What do you mean by?
Hold on, let me show you.
Like I just got clicked on my 697.
On the 1 hour chart.
Hold on, let me get back in here because I just got my 6977 clip. All right, now explain your question again about the hour close.
On the hold on, let me go back to my chart. On the pound cat on the 1 hour, I see a candle that went to the bottom. They got to the bottom. Oh, it's not gonna close like the other candles, right? It's not gonna close that candle, is it? On January the 3rd.
January 3rd. This is the January 3rd. What do you mean by it's not gonna close that candle?
Like that little the dip right there in the blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I don't understand what you're asking about. It's not gonna close. All the candles close.
Okay.
It's not.
No.
Are you saying it's not gonna close below?
I can't get my question right.
Are you asking
Take your
if
time.
it's not gonna close below this area?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to ask.
Well, no, in
My-
2 minutes. So my 6977 got clipped out.
Yeah, mine did too.
Yeah, mine did too. All good dope. All good dope. Hey, how long is this? Are the meetings for? Or the sessions for?
Oh shoot! I didn't realize. Damn, I gotta go to the damn. I gotta go to a chiropractor meeting. But I was supposed to be done at 11.
Okay. Well, I'm about to eat some steak and eggs real quick before I hit the gym. Gotta get huge, you know what I'm saying?
I feel you.
Hey,
John, I have a question.
hey, John,
Go
if you
ahead.
got any questions too about, I remember you said you want to get bigger. I got you, bro. I'll give
Okay,
you like
yeah.
the
I do got
diet
some
plan,
questions.
workout plans. I got you, dog.
Most definitely. I definitely got some questions for you.
Hey, John, I know this might be far fetched, but is there any possible way you could come up with like tests to reassure us so that we know what we're doing when we're doing this?
Yeah. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
I can put something.
Okay. Just so I can be clear with myself and I don't really have to double check too often. I mean, I know I'm gonna need to double check with this, but so I know how to do it on my own.
Yeah, I got you.
Yo, I go on
Okay.
TradingView too, man. That's like the best of the best.
Got back in the buy again.
Yeah, I just got back in.
I don't want to hold you up, John. Whenever you want, I'm on.
Most definitely. Well, I'll be on for the most part at 9. I'm gonna do Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull off the whole week just so I can get everything done. But I'm gonna do Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday.
For the
Okay.
for the sessions?
Yeah, for these sessions.
Okay.
I was gonna do Monday through Friday, but shoot, looking at how I was running around this morning, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do my whole week.
So you had to rethink everything. Hold on, this shit ain't gonna work.
Right. Let me re-plan this out real quick.
All right, well, Jason, I'm signing out of here. Hey, John, I'm gonna check you out this weekend for a 1-on-1.
Okay.
All right, I'll shoot you my email and everything.
Okay, bet.
Later, guys.
All right, dog. Peace. I'm leaving too. I gotta eat.
No, so I see y'all later.
All right.